Hold it. No, I gotta get the fork. Hold the bowl.
Yeah, hold it.
Okay, Z, first time making eggs. How did it feel, son?
Feels amazing. It's like I'm gonna grow up to be just like a chef, just like my mom.
Awesome. You want to show your cheese? And she's eating cheese over here. Okay, keep on moving it around. If you don't want to stick to the bottom.
Stick.
Look at them eggs, y'all. Okay, let me see it for a second. Back up, London. Hot. Baby, hot. We just don't want to start sticking, y'all. Y'all know how to make eggs. Just gotta keep on till they get good.
Hey, that's not fair.
Let's bring it back up. I had to turn down, y'all, so it wouldn't stick to the pan. Let it get back to where it's supposed to be. No, you cannot. Hold on, Lion Gang. This is what its eggs turned out to be. They look so delicious. And we'll be right back. Alright, Lion Gang, we are at the library. Look at how it is pouring down. We can't even go outside right now. That's how bad it is pouring down. It's lightning, thundering. We're inside the library. I bet they can't even see if they're driving. Our ride is on the way, and I know they had to pull over. I cannot believe it. Alright, stay tuned, Lion Gang. And we are on the other side. It's raining, y'all. It's coming down. Put the lightning, y'all. Put the lightning. Say it's coming down.
Coming down, y'all.
Y'all.
Look at the rain. But look at the rain. When the rain goes.
Look at that scene. Woo. Scene. Yeah.